Wi-Fi 6 Mesh Wi-Fi. Next-gen Wi-Fi 6AX 3000 whole home mesh system to eliminate weak Wi-Fi for good. 2x2, HE 162,402 megabits per second plus 2x2574 megabits per second. Whole home Wi-Fi coverage. Covers up to 6,500 square feet with seamless high-performance Wi-Fi 6 and eliminate dead zones and buffering. Better than traditional Wi-Fi booster and range extenders. Connect more devices. Deco X55 3-pack is strong enough to connect up to 150 devices with strong and reliable Wi-Fi. More gigabit ports. Each Deco X55 has 3 gigabit Ethernet ports, 9 in total for a 3-pack, and supports wired Ethernet backhaul for better speeds. Any of them can work as a Wi-Fi router. AI-driven mesh intelligently learns the network environment to provide ideal Wi-Fi unique to your home. Easy setup and management. The Deco app helps you set up your network in minutes with clear visual guidance and keeps you in control even when you are not home. Works with Alexa as well. Turn on or off guest Wi-Fi by simple voice commands. TP-Link Home Shield. TP-Link's premium security services keep your home network safe with cutting-edge network and IoT protection. Free features. 1. Network Security Scan 2. Basic Parental Controls 3. COS 4. Weekly, monthly reports 5. IoT Device Identification. Home Shield Pro paid service adds more robust protections and features for $99 per month, 1 month free trial. Works with all internet service providers such as Comcast, Charter, AT&T, Verizon, Xfinity, Spectrum, RCN, Cox, CenturyLink, Frontier, etc. A modem is required for most internet service providers. Top reviews from the United States. So easy to set up, even your grandparents can do it. Amazing experience so far. I was blown away by the cost of 3 hubs, having 3 Ethernet ports in each hub, and being able to set up a mesh network, with wired backhaul, in less than 10 minutes using the amazing app. Honestly, if you are a novice or an advanced user, this makes the experience and setup enjoyable. I couldn't believe the amount of cool features available. Do not hesitate to buy. Cost. My Netgear Orbi RBR50 mesh system died after 4 years. To replace the main router would have been close to the price of this entire system. So price is amazing. If any of the units die, you can easily buy another unit for a fraction of the cost. Adding more access points is also super cheap and easy. Don't be fooled by the price. It punches way above its weight. Setup. Mesh networks can be complicated to set up. You usually need to find the main router and use the internet port to get it set up. Not with this setup. Any unit and any port for setup works. It honestly idiot-proof. Mesh setups usually require you to sync the additional hubs, unit, but this just simply works after you plug them in. No setup required. I was amazed. Using the app, you can see them come online by themselves and even show all the connected devices and speeds. Insane visibility, even for the most network-savvy users. Speeds and IP addresses are available. You can even name each of the devices. Also do address reservations.